Mammals are one of the most interesting and successful groups of animals on Earth. They live almost everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from thick jungles to icy polar regions. What makes mammals special is that they share a set of unique features that set them apart from other animals. One of the main things that all mammals have is hair or fur. Some mammals, like lions, bears and dogs, have thick fur covering their bodies, while others, like whales and dolphins, have only a little hair. Hair helps keep mammals warm, because mammals are warm-blooded animals. Being warm-blooded means they can control their own body temperature. Unlike reptiles, which depend on the sun to stay warm, mammals can stay active in cold or hot places because their bodies create heat from inside. This is why polar bears can live in the freezing Arctic, and camels can survive in hot deserts. Another important feature of mammals is that mothers feed their babies with milk. Mammals are the only animals that do this. The milk comes from special organs called mammary glands, which is where the word mammal comes from. This milk gives baby mammals the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy in their first weeks or months of life. Because of this, mammal babies usually have a close bond with their mothers, who care for them until they are ready to survive on their own. Most mammals also give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. This means that baby mammals grow inside the mother's body until they are developed enough to be born. There are two exceptions, the platypus and the echidna, which are egg-laying mammals. These unusual animals show that mammals can be very diverse. Scientists divide mammals into three main groups: monotremes, marsupials, and placental mammals. Monotremes are the egg-laying mammals, and only a few exist today, such as the platypus and echidna, both found in Australia. Marsupials are mammals that give birth to tiny, underdeveloped babies that crawl into a pouch on their mother's belly to continue growing. Kangaroos, koalas, and opossums are examples of marsupials. The largest group is placental mammals. In these animals, the baby develops inside the mother's body and gets food and oxygen through an organ called the placenta. Humans, dogs, cats, elephants, and most other mammals belong to this group. Mammals also come in an amazing range of sizes. The smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, which is about the size of a large insect and weighs less than a penny. On the other hand, the largest mammal is the blue whale, which can grow longer than 100 feet and weigh more than 180 tons. That makes the blue whale the largest animal to ever live on Earth, even bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. Mammals can also look very different from one another. Compare a mouse, an elephant, and a dolphin, and you will see how creative nature can be. Mammals have adapted to live in many different environments. On land, animals like lions, tigers, and wolves are powerful hunters, while deer, zebras, and elephants are plant eaters that roam in groups called herds. In the ocean, whales, dolphins, and seals have evolved to swim, dive, and hunt fish. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly, using their wings to catch insects at night. Other mammals, like flying squirrels, can glide from tree to tree. With so many different shapes, sizes, and abilities, mammals are one of the most flexible animal groups in the world. Mammals are also very important for nature. Many plant-eating mammals help spread seeds by eating fruit and carrying seeds to new places. Other mammals dig holes in the ground, which helps mix the soil and create homes for smaller animals. Predators, like wolves and big cats, keep prey populations from growing too large, which keeps ecosystems balanced. Even humans, who are mammals too, play a role in the environment, though sometimes we cause harm by hunting, polluting, or destroying habitats. Humans are mammals, but we are special because of our ability to think, speak, and use tools. We have built cities, written books, explored space, and studied the history of life on Earth. But no matter how advanced we become, we are still part of the mammal family and share many traits with other animals. Just like a cat or a dog, we need food, warmth, and care when we are babies. Our bodies work in similar ways, reminding us that we are connected to the animal kingdom. Mammals show us the beauty of diversity in nature. They can be tiny or gigantic, furry or nearly hairless, land-dwelling or ocean-living, hunters or plant-eaters. Yet, despite these differences, they are all united by the traits that make them mammals. Warm-blooded bodies, hair or fur, and mothers that feed their young with milk. From the playful dolphin to the mighty elephant. From the flying bat to the cuddly panda, mammals are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth.